whakatawanga, he whare, ke lātai mo he kui whakatawhono niwe I Nusila. Koe ka kanolahi ne manako I au ke tausi pihia. Haureo ke kapanata, ke whakamoria. Ha koe anono kia I lahi maha ke tupe whakatawhono ne maria. Ke he tau ofisa ne ko tausi e lau tōru. Ke lātai me he tau tūru kui si kumara nei. Koe tahana mena mahuinga lahi ia. Koe mera ke wāki. Ke lātai me whakau nei. Koe ononoanga moe aurea ke he Niue International Trust Fund. The trustees and Nusila mo stadia. Koe talia na lau tūru ke tuku ke he mai taha mara tupe pehe nei ke rangamatau ke whakatawanga he whare. Koe ononoanga he whakatawhono mo he ako tuku atu ke lau tūru. Koe tahana puhala investment anei. Tunga ni e ononoanga he trust fund. Koe do investments ni ko onono lahi kia he mga ne. Aila onono ia e do trustees mo ne ke whakaonga e tupi ne ke taha whikau fuki. Koe onono lahi ni ko hingoa do puhala ke onono ke tausia ke do investments. Ke lātai mo tupi ne he lau tūru. Sio ke mana ia maha te ke whono koe mana lahi na ia ni ke sio no ko lahi lahi ke lātai mo te whikau mo e pepe tupi nei asi lahi whakatose e tupi tūrua ke whaa ke lima ke hangau ia ke manako he whakatawhono he aho ke whakakisi atu e tau tupi ne maua ia I he tau matakau ke he kehe si ke mana hei ia ni kisia I mtūru I tau whakamurianga ne kua whakamuria he whakatawhono mo e whakatawhono Nusila ke lātai mo e ha tau tūru a tau whakaonganga tupi manako rahi au ke lafi kia I nākai ni ke te tupe mai he kautū Nisilani kai lafi kia I fuki e tau tupe ne mo mai e tau tūru he tau matakau ke kehe ma tau kautū ke kehe ke e mana nei mo whakisianga he whakatawhono ke he hana tonga hua ke lātai mo tau mo tau tupe ne ko mo a ke lakamatau ke tonga hua ke ha tau tūru kautū whia lahi o maha te ke whono ho mai ke a he mga hone ke whakakisi atu pihia e lakanga nei haka lakanga fuwa nei ke he tau tūru a whono I ki pori. Mana tu o ke whakakisi atu pihe nei, koe tau ka kano ne nā kai whia lahi o he tau mga haka maori, ke lafi e tau mana pihe nei. Haka mana nā kai toka ki a tau tūru e pure ka tātā, ke he tau tupe nei. Ke manha ia, maha te ki whono, mana tu o ke whakakisi atu pihe nei, ne tuku ke he whakatosi e tupe ke lātai, me tunga hua ke lātai ma matawai, haka mana nā kai la usi e whamuriang. Ke hoko mai ke mga hone. Ko whita he whakataka, ko whita he talia, ke he whono ikipure, ka ke nākai la talia ia e whakatakatakaanga whakausi. Ke iloa e whakamoreanga mōri he tau tupe ke nātai me whakau ia. Koe taha matapatu kupu ne tuku mai e he wharu tangata ki au. Te hiro tūru ka eke koe mōri e tau whakaroanga he whakatawhono he aha. Ko nāka I lata ke whai supplementary appropriation bihi ni. Ke lata e me he tau tūru a tanga hua. Kai mana tū ke whakakisi atu bihi ni. Tunga ni he ilai me kisia e mtūru he tau TV. Ke tau whia whikiusi. Koe tau ngahua. Po ke tau mena tu tupu ke tau kautū he larorangi he mga hane. Onono e tau tūru ke mutu ia ko Greece. Nei fuki te mena nuko tupu e ke mutu ko Ireland, ki hana fuki te mena nuko onono e me tuputupu e te whakatawhono I Europa, ke whakatawhono I Portugal, te bihi Spain. Te sia e tau tōru koe kakano he tau mena ia, ha koe tau tupe, koe tau masikarea nuko tupu mai ai, ha koe financial crisis, my economic difficulties that are suffered, that are continuing to affect worldwide economies at the present times. It is appropriate for us it's a management tool, it's a micromanagement tool that we need to use responding to circumstances that may change, and circumstances will change according to what has been happening in the world economies at the present time. And that's part of the reasons why it is a tool that I would, as Minister of Finance, use to ensure that if there are any major hiccups, then we could use this to ensure that we are responding appropriately and quickly. Koe tau mana nei haka maha ki whono ne mana tū ki whakisia I moe ki he hātau tūro anonoa ki ke he supplementary appropriation nei ko tuku e mga nei mana to ai hoko ha ka tau whakatutaranga ke he tau whasianga tupe ke he no kola lafi kai to whai whakamamanga ke lata e mifkau ni kai ke hoko e atu turu ke whakatutaranga i ko mena ke karosi i maha te whono mana ko ke aore atu ke whare mo e ke whakamlemare ke whakamori e pepa nei ke te toanga taha ua turu tunga ni he whamahani atu turu koe ke kano ne aore atu bihia tunga ni hikisia mturu nā kai longa e whakau te turu ni anono ke mo e mena ke wā ke koe tau tupe lafi nei koe ringa hongo furu ni e mena ni pa anono te turu ke kai behe fuki haka whakisianga maha te whono koe mena ko whitanga he whakatutala ki ia chair he PEC kua la te duai fuki ni alo turu ke anono ke whono ke haka i dunga hu he whono he ono mahina e kua mare koe rima mahina e kua mare hako he alo turu dunga hu ia kua la te ke dausi kai manatu i whakamanatu te behe nei maha te whono ei koe kumisi hako alo turu koe kumisi he whare si pure ni alo turu ke alo turu dunga hu kai ore atu ke alo turu kua la te duai ni tunga ni he whakakisi atu in support of what we consider as being good governing, transparency and accountability. I believe that the Public Expenditure Committee should, as a matter of good practice, meet to discuss and to review what has been happening with government actions over the past 5-6 months with regard to what has been spent in the budget to date. Kumenei mahari whono manatu ke tuku atu ke he hare tū whanoanga e tau manatu wakisi mai he tau matua i ke puri ke lātai moe e ke puri ke lātai moe tutuanga whakamua nei tuka hoko te tūri ke whakawela
kawe tō hawhangi atu ke he whono ke puri ke lātai moe tau manatu whakakisi lalafi atu la whakamare more ke he whakatwhono whakalalata nei ko tuku mai supplementary appropriation bill ue a hongfuru / hongfumata haia he pahimuat ne nā kai whai tau ne tokai whamare more ue a hongfuru hihika hongfumata kawe hawhangi atu he mga nei ke lata ia moe re whakisianga manatu he tau e ke pure ke he mitaki mo poke ke lea he whakatawhono kala lata nei kua tuku mai ki mua he ki loto he whono e ke pure he mga nei Nagai whai, Elif Koko.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It is a shame that we never got the last page until today because we would have been able to allow us to make some more clearer decisions on whether it's a good bill or not. But greetings to you, greetings to the Premier and the Cabinet and the New Zealand High Commissioner, the members of the Assembly and the clerks and to the listening public. I believe that we shouldn't be touching the trust fund. I believe we should have left the interest in there so that it grows till we get up to at least 50 million. Rather than taking money out of it now. Because of the interest rates have actually dropped, we're getting less, and to me we should build up that fund. And if
Mr. Cole, are you talking about the trust fund or are you talking about the supplementary appropriation bill?
The money from the trust has come into here.
Okay.
2,385,000. It's a receipt from the trust money. So that this money we could actually in a few years' time, and not too long a time, get a far greater amount of interest, and that would be better for us and also for the future of Niue, so that fund actually grows up and we can take the interest from it. The purchase of the residence in Wellington, I don't agree with it, because I believe that it's a big amount which we could be putting into our education or the health or the roads or anything. But this is going out of the country to that office, and the rates and that we will then have to pay on this place, plus the cleaning and whatnot of it, I believe we probably come out the same as paying the rent for it. And we could put this money better use on Niue than in Wellington. So those are my views on there, and I believe that we should be prudent with our money and use it properly to benefit the people here on Niue, not the people over in New Zealand in the High Commission office. Under the special aid projects, the asbestos removal, the 55,000, does that cover collecting up all the rest of the asbestos and also the further asbestos that's not loaded up at the top area there in Fualahi? It doesn't seem enough money for that. So I don't support what it is done. I believe we could have done a better job and put a lot more money into this economics of Niue, even in the form of salaries and wages for the public servants. Thank you, Mr.
Speaker.
Walai hatik fono, walai ke poi, moi kia fuki ke fono angal lifu nei, le mia moi hawa kabinet, kia fuki Commissioner Tolonga New Zealand, wala tahai du tur, tu tanga tanga hua ku fono mo do business, mo do tanga tau sini tono ono mai, ngah nei ke fono angal tur, walai, koe ai wala ku fono ne kwa ka tala tu tur biai ke mangah nei. Tari au ke he tau puhala he hado toro di tak ane whaila ia ke tausia ke tau mahua puke tau whikau hado toro ke mga hanei koe toi na ia he tuang hado toro ke whakahangahang tak e tau mahua hado toro tō na ia uhoa ke kua whai puhala ke lari ke lango mataya ke hako tau mahua nei mai mitaki he tau ngata hado toro he mut ai pehe ni mai da ngata toko ta kako tau mana he auloa. Koe tuai nia ia, he hako ki sia, mai hako manatu ke he tau ngahua hado tōru. Wala ta tuai ni, ke maua tau puhala pehe nei, mai ki sia lau tōru, hala tōru mangaho, wa hoko ki ai, moi lari ke whakahangahanga mitaki. Aki e tau mamui, he tau ngata he motu hado tōru. Si koe tau tupe nei, ne kua whasifasi, mai whakalatalata ai ke lata moi, mai da whikau nei, ne tonga kua whakamatawhenga mai e ia, i pure he i tuku mai e whikau mitaki e whikau hangahanga mitaki koe tuai na ia hoko ki ai a te tōru ke he mga hala ke mga ahunai koe te whaurua puhala ia ke whelang matai ai ki te tōru hada tōru tanga hua a pehe au te tōru ke pehe ute to mena ia ke tok ke whakao ngā whi koe tuai na ia he mga aho ka hoko te tōru ki ai whakao ngai tau tupi nei po ke tau puhala ke maua aki te tōru si tari au mahati ki whon ke he whikau nei ko tuku mai ai ke whakatutala te tōru tuku nei a mamanai ki ni ke mawhaola ha te tōru a tau seang he tau pupu ke lata ia mai whikau na kwa tuku mai ke te tōru kono anga lifu nei whakoelai.
Koe, puli me tuap.
Karawhalai atu ki he whatun whon. Ma tō pere mea tau ki pūre me tau ma khainanga ki pure ki he whanoanga ki he pung pung nei.